Good morning, students, and welcome to Gyaniketan Girls School. Today I am going to discuss Unit 5, The Golden Bird of Class 3, the part of vocabulary section, grammar and usage, and words in use. So let us start with grammar and usage. Phrases. Look at these phrases. Take care of, for a long time. So students, each of these is a phrase. A phrase is a group of words that makes sense or has meaning. Unlike a sentence, a phrase doesn't begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop. When we write a phrase, it cannot stand alone but can only be a part of sentence. So students, some phrases are given here. We have to match it with the proper sentence. Let us start with question number A. Match the parts in A with the phrases in B to make complete sentences. Look at the first sentence. The traveler walked slowly. The answer is through the woods. So it is a phrase. Through the woods is a phrase. Second, please write. Answer is the answers to the questions. Third, the last train to Salim leaves at 10:45 p.m. 4. Eating too many sweets is not very good for your teeth. Number 5. It all happens in the morning very suddenly. 6. The food that he cooks is both healthy and tasty. Number 7. The fishermen set out to sea in their small fishing boats. Now students, come to the next part of grammar and usage. Prepositional phrases. So let us see what is prepositional phrase. Now students, read these sentences. First sentence is, the king looked at the cage for a long time. The monkey hid among the leaves. So here the words in color are called prepositional phrases. We use a prepositional phrase to say something more about a person or an action. It answers these questions. Which the man in a green shirt where stopped in a busy market when arrived at 8 o'clock. How traveled by train. So students, here you can see that you all are getting the answer of these questions. Which, where, when and how. So a prepositional phrase usually start with the preposition in, on, under, behind, at, to, from, through, across, and so on, and ends with a noun or a pronoun. So let us see one question related to prepositional phrase. Question: complete these sentences with the correct prepositional phrases. So first question, please wait, the doctor will be with you in a moment. So here students, in a moment is a prepositional phrase. Second, I really need something for my headache. My head hurts badly. For my headache, it's a prepositional phrase here. Number 3, do make sure You are ready by 7. The play begins at 7:30. By 7 is here a prepositional phrase. 4. Anna was so kind. She answered all our questions with patience. With patience is prepositional phrase. Number 5. I'm afraid to cross the road. Sometimes the cars go by at a high speed. So at a high speed is here a prepositional phrase. 6. It is not safe to swim across the river. There are crocodiles in it. So students, here across the river is a prepositional phrase. Now come to the next part, words in use. Let us read these sentences. A snake hissed and slithered away. The eagle swooped down towards her. So, the words in color are usually used together. So, these type of words are called collocations. Let us do one exercise related to this topic. Join the words in A with the words in B to make complete sentences. So, you can see here, student, I have written all the answers face to face so that you will be able to find out the answers properly. First, the baby snake disappeared and slid into the deepest part of the ground. Second, our class teacher asked us to find out the names of singing birds. Third, please do not throw away your old toys. You can donate them. Number 4, mother asked us to take down the address quickly. 5, my brother will pick up the groceries on his way back home. 6, let's wait here. The next bus will come along soon. Now, the next topic is time phrase. Read these sentences. First, after a while, she saw a monkey swinging from a tree. Second, just then, something moved in the tree in front of the bird. So students, these group of words which are in color talk about time. After a while, just then. So these are the examples of time phrase. These words are called time phrase that will talk about time. Now let us do one exercise related to this topic, that is time phrase. So, complete these sentences with the correct time phrases from the text. See the first question. The king was happy to have the golden bird, but as time passed, he thought he should let her go. So here students, as time passed, it's talking about time. That means it is a time phrase. Second, the golden bird spoke rudely to the monkey and the monkey went away. Some time later, a snake came slithering by. So here, some time later is a time phrase. Third, at first, the golden bird did not see the chameleon because he lay against a tree trunk that was of the same color. So students, here at first it is a time phrase. Number 4, the golden bird saw the eagle and called for help. At that moment, the golden bird felt something like a rope pulling her into some bushes. It was the snake. So students, here at that moment is a time phrase. So students, this was the vocabulary section of Unit 5, The Golden Bird. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Thank you.